Hi guys, Sai is here back with another interesting and most important video. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about how to install custom ROM on any Samsung model device. Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover a Samsung M21, but you can install on your any Samsung model. I will explain the procedure, how to download files for your specific model, how to install custom ROM on your any Samsung specific model. Okay, I will explain all the things with step-by-step guide. So definitely watch this video till then. And if you are new on this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files and updates. So without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay, first of all, open your Google and search your device name. At the last, you need to type XDA. Okay, for example purpose, my device is Samsung M21. And after type Samsung M21, then type XDA and search it. Okay, so here it is, the first method to find files or custom ROM for your device, your specific device. Okay, so go on XDA website, and when you scroll down, here it is ROMs, custom recoveries, custom ROMs, custom kernels, all the things are you will get. Okay, so this is the method one where you will find your custom ROM on this website. Okay, if any custom ROM, any development is available for your channel, then definitely you will get that custom ROM, custom kernel, custom recoveries on XDA. Now talking about second method, if you're not able to find custom ROMs or custom kernels or anything for your device, your Samsung device on XDA, then you can follow the second method. This method is Telegram method. So open your Telegram and on search bar type your device name. For example, I type Samsung M21 and here it is, I get this group. Okay, when I click on it, when I click on this description, as we can see, channel and group, I mean channel and discuss group, both are available for my Samsung M21. Okay, for your device, you need to search your device name on Telegram. Okay, so when you search your device name, if any channel is available for your device, any custom ROM channel is available for your device, simply join that channel, join that discuss group. Okay, so here it is, you will get all the ROMs and other required files to install custom ROM. Okay, for example purpose, this is my device channel, so I got my device channel. Okay, my device is Samsung M21, no? Right? So I got my channel. So now I'm going to join this channel because I got my channel, no? So for your device, you need to join your device channel. Okay, and here it is, in this channel you will get all the flashing guide. All the installation guide is mentioned, how to install custom ROM, which files is required, everything is mentioned in your channel. Okay, in your group. Okay, on left side, as we can see, this is S23 Ultra group, and here it is also, this is the group. Okay, you will also get all the ROMs and files and other files on this channel, on this group. Okay, also flashing guide is also mentioned in this channel, in this group. Okay, so search your device on Telegram, and if any channel is available, then join that channel and download files from that channel, and must read installation guide. Note that installation guide, it's very mandatory. Okay, and talking about which files is something, for example purpose, for my device M21, my device is M21, right? Some files is different for my device, some files is different for S23 Ultra, some files is different for M31. So every device have specific files. So for that, you need to join discuss group. This is the discuss group. As we can see, on left side, this is S23 discuss group. On right side, this is the M21 discuss group. When you join discuss group, you need to download required files which mentioned in flashing guide. For example purpose, custom recovery is mandatory to install custom ROM. So download files which mentioned on installation guide. Okay, on left side, as we can see, this is VB meta file is mentioned in installation guide for S23 Ultra. I already show you how to download. Now talking about M21, I need custom recovery because custom recovery is mentioned in flashing guide. Only custom recovery and ROM is mentioned. Nothing much more is mentioned. Okay, but talking about S23 Ultra, some extra files is mentioned. Okay, so like that, if for your device, maybe extra files is mentioned in flashing guide, so download that files. In my case, I need to download only custom recovery and ROM. That's it. Okay, these files are mentioned in my flashing guide. Always note that flashing guide is very important. Okay, if you're going to install any ROM for any Samsung model, first read flashing guide, which files is necessary, how to install, everything is mentioned in. And this flashing guide where you get, in Telegram channel or XDA site. Okay. Now I'm going to download this TWRP. Okay, I already download TWRP and ROM also on my PC, but I'm for showing you, I'm recording this video. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Another models is present, M21, M21. Okay, F4. This M21 as this or other models files is also present, but my device is M21, so I download M21 file. Okay, in your case, you download your file, ROM file. Okay. Then what is next step? Your Samsung device bootloader must unlock. If you not unlock, I will give link on description. First of all, unlock your Samsung device bootloader. Okay, after that you need to came on this video. Now as we can see here, it is download some files which you need to extract. Okay, which is Odin file. Okay, it's mandatory because you need to install custom recovery on your device now. So Odin is necessary. So this Odin is only work on PC. Okay. So you need PC. So double click on this Odin application and this app is open. Okay, untick this auto reboot, must untick this auto reboot. Okay, then next click on AP. You need to load TWRP, which I show you previously. This TWRP, which is my Samsung device TWRP, M21 TWRP. Load TWRP recovery on AP, then check that box. Then next file, no, nothing is need to I add extra file, but in S23 Ultra group, for S23 Ultra installation need one more file, which is patch VB meta in user data. Okay, in user data box we need to add patch VB meta file, but my M21, for my M21 only I need TWRP. Okay, so install according to your flashing guide. Now connect your device in download mode. How you connect? Hold volume. First of all, turn off your Samsung phone, then hold volume up and volume down and put USB cable. When this interface comes, then press the volume up button, then this download interface comes. Now what is next? Now here it is. When you connect your device with PC, this COM is showing on left on top. Okay, note this point. Now click on flash. Okay, now click on flash. When we see the pass option is comes, as we can see on top of left, that means custom recovery flash successfully on our Samsung device. Now what is next? Now see carefully, because this step is highly precautionable. Okay, so please watch carefully from this step. Okay, so now unplug the data cable from your device, then hold volume down and power button. Okay, hold and leave volume button when screen is turned off. Don't leave power button, leave volume down button when screen off, and at the time press volume up button, but still don't leave power button. When again screen off, now you can leave power button, but don't leave volume up button. Okay, wait until TWRP schemes. Don't leave volume up button until TWRP logo schemes. When this TWRP logo schemes, now you are able to leave your volume up button. Now I am going to set brightness little low. After set brightness little low, now talking about installation guide, which mentioned on S21 Ultra group, I am going to follow that guide. Okay, you need to follow your device specific guide. Okay, which is available on your Telegram channel or XDA site. Okay, now what is first step I'm going to perform in my case for my S21. Okay, so here it is. First of all, go on wipe, then go on wipe section, then tick these boxes. Okay, these all boxes are mentioned in flashing guide. Then after tick, swipe it. After swipe done, go back, go on installation, then select ROM and select swipe. That's it. Select ROM and swipe it. Now installation take little bit of time, so we need to wait some time. I forwarded the video to show you rapidly because it will take a lot of time. Okay, when installation is done, you can see the message schemes installed successful. Okay, so as we can see, I swipe it, unlock it, and successfully installed. Some red text schemes on bottom, ignore it, but at the top on install zip, the install successful. Now go on wipe, then here you need to type yes, do format data. Okay, type yes, then do format data, then click on reboot system. That's it. ROM is installed successfully. Okay, some steps is different maybe for your device, so please follow your flashing guide method on you follow from your group. As we can see, now I installed custom ROM on my Samsung device, and as we can see, Android version is 14. In previously my Android version is 11. Okay, now my Android version is 14. Boom boom shakalaka boom boom, as we can see. So this is the procedure to install any custom ROM on your Samsung devices. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.